Okay, so this is the video for the fourth day. I've been working on the app overnight. Did some progress. Let me show you like what's the current state. So let me run this simulator. Yeah, so this one is like iPhone 17. And then what I did, like I did kind of second screen now, and I did like a third screen. And then if you go back, you can have like this nice context menu or like drop down, and you can switch back to the highest level. List here is still kind of this one. Let me try to change the theme. Actually is so light now. Let me change it. So if I change dark, light, okay. So the theme is light, but like yeah, the theme is light, but the app itself is like, you see that it now has a dark background, and like it's more subtle. And here still you see that there is like a squared corners, and yeah, quite a lot of time I was working on the compatibility. So current simulator is iOS 26, so let's say I wanna like change, let's say you wanna change like this, so there might be couple stones. And then let's say I wanna go to this. Let's find like really kind of many stones. That's interesting. Like if I just add the metric, like how many stones on every card, that would be also probably nice, so that you don't have to guess and like go around. Like here, see that like there's still kind of some work to be done. And this screen, I talked to my client, and basically I need to modify this one, and I need to move this picture to the next screen for the activity, and then use it as a background, and maybe like destructure this list so it becomes like more it will be different from the previous one, because it's kind of annoying to have the same design over like 3 screens. Also, if I try to do the same, let's say I wanna switch the recording capture, screen capture, and let's switch the window display capture. Okay, let's capture the display now. So if I do, does it capturing? Is it capturing? I feel it's not. Capture, save. Okay, screen capture, display capture. Oh, I got it. So display capture, I need to change the display. Okay, so it's gonna be this display. So what I was talking about, like that I did quite. Let me change the background. So like this is iPhone 17 simulator, and I did quite a lot of like debugging for the previous one, iOS. So the current one is 26.01, and the previous one was like 18, and like it's a slightly different UI. It's not doesn't have a glass kind of controls. It's a previous OS version, and because of that, it requires some changes in the interface and adjustments. So you see that now instead of like glass tab bar, it's like material tab bar here. like everything is almost the same, but it required some of the adjustments. Like here, you see that to have the same logo pop up from the top, I have kind of similar um, interactions here. And also, if I go, let's say second one here, then you see that there are some differences. Like there is a back button, whereas this button is like kind of just a smaller one and doesn't have like letters. And when I check here, I see that sometimes this is getting shortened. I still need to figure out why it's doing that sometimes. So attractiveness, you see that attractiveness is much longer than aging, but still like aging is getting like shortened, and like attractiveness is like just fine, and the same is here. And you see that the back button is a little bit different between simulators, and here like again, let's say I choose increase beauty, and here I have just back beauty and attractiveness, and here I have a little bit different UI also. So that's it. That was my focus for this for the last day, and that was day 4 for this app development. Thank you for your attention. I'll continue doing this project.